it's a cultural organization. I think we're talking about changing the name from secular to cultural. And we celebrate the holidays, the traditions. Um, we have our own machzorim. We have a machzor for each holiday. And for the high holidays, we worked for months, for years, to get these books together. As a matter of fact, Bob and I were going to a wedding someplace in the West. I don't know what it was. I was on a plane for a long time, and I had the book with me, and I had to edit the thing. That was the only way I could go with him, and editing would. And we just everybody kept editing the Machzorim, and we still have our high holidays, and it's dwindling. It's dwindling. There aren't too many people left. As I say, I'm one of the oldest, but Baruch is, I guess he's older, but.
So can you explain how you celebrate the high holidays in a secular or cultural way? As an example.
With poetry, with song, with readings of people like Einstein, famous Yiddish authors, traditional songs, and we have people that read certain parts for many years, and we assign parts to certain people for the holidays. And we used to have all of the holidays. So we had a big school at one time, and when the school failed, and it failed because of busing, we could no longer afford busing, and parents had to take their kids to Sunday school. And when that happened, it just dwindled, and it got smaller and smaller, and it's quite small now. Both of my boys were bar mitzvah there, and the bar mitzvahs are a class bar mitzvah, and they do they pick a topic and work on it for a year. It's like a term paper, and they read something in Hebrew, they read something in Yiddish, and everybody participates with songs, and it's just a whole class thing, and it's not one of these big fancy bar mitzvah kind of things that go out of control.